Hello students, we are back with the fifth part of this chapter, the French Revolution. Till now we studied a lot in this, so now we'll go to the next one. As we finished here in the last video, so now we will discuss further. Okay, so as you can see, these pictures actually reading political symbols. What they are telling this? Reading political symbols. There are many symbols which are politically explained. We can explain them as politically. We always see in our country also. We always see Ashok Chakra. Okay, we when we see our national flag, na, so we see there Ashok Chakra is within middle. So that is also a kind of symbol. Okay, political symbol. It tells us, it gives us some message. According to our constitution, it provides us that it has 24 spokes. So it tells that these are the 24 hours, and India will not stop because it is a wheel, na? It is a wheel. So India will not stop like a wheel. We'll always move on. So same thing here also. When France become a kind of constitutional monarchy, so by the constitution they brought some things to tell people this kind of symbols, like the broken chain. Broken chain told them कि now we have become free. Now we have become free by the slavery of our king. Now we are not slave. Okay, it means now we have broken all the we can say barricades. Now then the second one we can see the bundle of rods. Bundle of rods tell about the unity. Okay, now we are one. Okay, now nobody can rule on us as they were ruling. Now we all are unite. We are unite, and then we'll take all the decision for us. Okay, same thing like they are saying here, the eye with the triangle uh, radiating line light, the all seeing eyes stands for knowledge. Knowledge means now we will, we can say, we will not hide anything, we will show everything, like the transparency kind of thing for the country कि भाई now everything will be clear like sun, it will come out of clouds. Okay, this sculpture what was there, like that was symbol of royal power. Then other one also I just want to tell you about this. Many more were there, but this winged man woman, okay, this was the personification of law. As in India na, we have seen the goddess of justice. Always when we watch the movies we can see that in front of our judge. So which she is having we can say a bandage on her eyes, so she cannot see, and she has one taraju like balanced thing. Okay, she is having in her hand. So in India that kind of image is there, in France that was. So but just we can know about this. Okay, then many changes were occurred there. Okay, now we have come on this, the France abolishes monarchy and become a republic. Okay, till now what we were reading, we told that France become a constitutional country, a monarchical constitutional country, because King Louis XVI signatured on constitution. He said, "Okay, I will follow your constitution, but I will be the king." So that time he was the king, and with constitution, king with constitution. But now in this part of this chapter we will know that how king was dismissed from his job. Okay, and how France become not constitutional monarchy, it become republic. Republic means, republic means the head of the government. Okay, if one government is there, so then head of the government will be a elected person. Okay, so the head of the government, like in our India, our president and our prime minister or our CM, they are the head, okay, or as a president is the head of the country, prime minister is the head of we can say central government, and at the same time for the state government, CM is the head of the government. So same, they are all chosen people, they are all elected people. That's why we can see this kind of countries republic. So how France become a republic? We'll know in this. The situation in France continued to be tense because this was the time of change. Slowly, the people were becoming angry because from hundred of years they were facing these problems. Now they did not want to go in that again. But what happened when this all thing was going on, when they were creating the constitution? So that time King Louis XVI was in a talk with the Persian king, okay, king of Persia. He was talking, king of France was talking to king of Persia. Why? He was telling him, France king was telling him कि भाई in my country this situation has become, okay, slowly a day these type of people will also emerge in your country also, है ना, they will also ask for their rights. So it is better कि you please help me because my army is not helping me. You please help me to sort out this problem, okay, to kill these revolutionaries. So he was talking to them. So what happened uh, in April 19 in April 1792, okay, the National Assembly of France declared a war against Persia because Persia wanted to help the king, na, but that time there was no king actually because a whole system came under the National Assembly. So that is why people of France, they started a war against Persia. So